Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making sprouted green gram omelette. This is a very healthy omelette. So for this we need sprouted green gram, onion, garlic, turmeric, garam masala, green chili, egg. So take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic, add 2 teaspoon of onion. Cook till onion is transparent. Add 1 chopped green chili or as per your taste. Now add 50 grams of sprouted green grams. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a pinch of turmeric, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Cook it properly. Take another bowl, add 2 eggs, salt to taste, beat it properly, or 2 to 3 teaspoon of sprouted green gram we have made. Now take a frying pan, add another 1.5 teaspoon of oil and pour the egg mixture. Now cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, flip it very carefully and cook for another half minute. Your very healthy sprouted green gram omelette is ready. Thank you.